Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning one more convergent test to check whether the series is convergent or not. Its name is Cauchy's root test. जैसे कि हमने पहले भी diverges टेस्ट देखा था, कंपैरिजन टेस्ट देखा था, यहाँ पे ये और एक नया टेस्ट है जिसका नाम है Cauchy's रूट टेस्ट. इसके नाम से पता चलता है कि रूट लेना है. How we will be doing that? Let's discuss more detail. So let's say ये दिया हुआ है आपको given series है where n is from 1 to infinity. अगर हम if it includes all the positive terms, then what we can say that limit n tends to infinity u1 raised to 1 by n is equal to L. L is it can be any number. So basically what we can say, we are taking its a root, so which we are writing in terms of 1 upon n. जैसे कि हम square root लिखते हैं 1 by 2, cube root लिखते हैं 1 by 3. Same thing, we are taking the root of given series and we are representing it by 1 by n. So it can be any root like 1 by 2, 1 by 3 or 1 by 4, anything it can be like that. So basically for the given series we are writing we are taking its a root of that series and we are checking how much is what's its answer it gives, and depending on the answer we are going to decide whether it is convergent or divergent or it is failing, that test is failing. So how we will be deciding? If this L is less than 1, then we say that it given series is convergence. And what is L? L is nothing but after taking a ratio of the given series, whatever we are getting, that is nothing but the L. If this L is greater than 1, then we say that it is a divergent series, and if that value of L is equal to 1, then that test is failing. So first important thing is here, as the name itself is saying, root test, we have to take root of given series and we have to check what answer it gives. It is greater than 1, less than 1, or it is equal to 1. Let us start solving the question. यहाँ पे series दी जा चुकी है. As you see that each term is having some power like -1, -2, -3, and it is infinite series. So if you look at the pattern of this series, like we should be able to write the un. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है un. So जैसे कि यहाँ पे n, by looking at the pattern I have written over here n plus 1 upon n and that is n plus 1 minus, यहाँ पे each term को हमने लिखा है. For this one basically we have written n plus 1 upon n, right, and for this one also it is like n plus 1 upon n, we can write it. So that is what we have written here for each of this term, and subtraction, there is a sign subtraction over here because as you see here there is a subtraction sign in each of this term. Same thing we have done it. So by using that, by observing the pattern, we have written this un. Writing un, that is again one important thing, and as the power of the un in the given series, that was like -1, -2, -3, that is the reason it has been written as a -1 n. So it, as we keep going on the terms, increasing the terms, so that value will be increasing. So this is the un by looking at the pattern how it is given, that we have written it over here. Now the other next step is we have to take a root of this un. तो हम लिखेंगे इसको रूट फाइंड आउट करेंगे, मतलब रेज टू पावर 1 बाय n करेंगे. अगर इसके साथ मैं इसको रेज टू पावर अगर 1 बाय करती हूँ तो ये n will get cancel and I will get -1, and this is what we have written, the whole series raised to power -1. Simply I have put it, I have taken its 1 by n, I have multiplied with it because we have to find 1 by nth root of the given series. Now after that we have to simplify it further. यहाँ पे n+1 है, मतलब ये ब्रैकेट को मैं I can split it in such a way that this will be the base of it and this power I can separate it. So, the same thing I have done it here, this whole bracket to the power n and this whole bracket to the power 1, basically n+1 I have split it into 2 brackets. Now, next term will be as it is and the whole bracket raised to -1 is there. If you look at this both the terms, you will see that n+1 upon n is the common factor. So, I can just take that out as a common. Remember that it has, if you will take that out as a common, it will be having power -1, because it is that raised to -1 is for all the bracket. So, whenever you will be taking it out common, that raised to -1 will also come out. So, whatever the leftover is there, मतलब ये पूरा ब्रैकेट ये जो है टर्म निकालेंगे बाहर, तो हमें सिर्फ मिलेगा n+1 अपॉन n रेज़ टू n -1. तो अगर ये सिंप्लीफाई करती हूँ मैं, तो मुझे आई विल गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे ये आई विल कीप 1+1 अपॉन इन्फिनिटी, मतलब वो हो जाएगा 1 रेज़ टू n -1. इफ़ आई विल फाइंड इट्स वैल्यू, इसकी वैल्यू होती है E, जो कि हमारी normally mathematically when we calculate its value is 2.7 some there is some number over there, but approximately if you will take it, it is like a 2.7. Then if you take it -1, then definitely whatever number you will be getting, that will be less than -1. So, since the result is we are getting less than -1, then we can say that the given series is convergent series. So, this is how we can use the root test, by simply taking the root of the given series and by doing some simple simplification steps. So, this is one of the method from what we have learned so far. So, this is by taking the root of the series, we can find whether series is convergent or not convergent. Thank you.